Whenever I see boys and girls selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps.
Hi guys, it's December 13th and we have a few days before Christmas. It's 12 days before Christmas and officially Simbang Gabi starts, which is usually consecutive 9 days. Is it 9 or 12 days? 12 days? I'm confused. I never have gone to Simbang Gabi or finished it, so please tell me, is it 9 days or 12 days? But here it's usually 12 days. On the 12th day of Christmas, blah 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 blah. Beep boop 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 boop. So people either rush around the mall, gather in line for the trendiest, most fashionable item that they could wear to or for their Christmas parties that are coming up, and or just buying gifts for people. And here they rack their brains of things that they could get people. And I personally have gone through the same phase. Before, I would just buy random stuff for people that I randomly know, just so I could give something to someone and be in the spirit of Christmas. But we have forgotten the most important thing about Christmas, which is the baby Jesus. The baby Kona is so loud. And a lot of us have forgotten the real meaning of Christmas, which is about the child Jesus that was gifted to us after humanoids were being so mean to one another. It should remind us about life and why we're gifted with life, what our purpose is in this life. It's Christmas! A lot of people are so excited, they start counting the days way before Christmas is even here. Sometimes they even start in July, and that's okay. That's who they are, and I accept it, and I embrace it, and I accept them for who they are. And I'm not a Grinch, I really am not. But let this video be a guide for, and a reminder for myself, a guide for some other people that are out there who have forgotten the true meaning of Christmas and why there is a need for gift giving. Apart from all the fun that we have during the holidays, there are a lot of stressors that are triggered, for some people are triggered during the holidays. We are so far out and lost and thinking about gift after gift after gift for people that we barely even know. And just because society has dictated that we have to buy gifts, we have to stay in line, we have to get the newest gadget, we have to. And it's not true. We don't have to. We don't need to listen to them. This is our life and we want to live it the way we want to live it. So if you're stressed like I usually am, I actually haven't really gifted random people or just bought random gifts just to stuff under my Christmas tree, and let alone have a Christmas tree or put up a Christmas tree anymore, because Christmas is stressful for me. As a child, it wasn't, but as an adult, I found that it was just so stressful. Like, people are not even grateful for what you get them. I don't even like half the stuff that I get for Christmas. It's not that I'm ungrateful. Beep! It's just there is no need for me to have an extra bottle of wine if I don't drink wine. Or there is no need for me to have an extra wallet if I already love the one that I'm using every day. I don't want to have more things that I don't use, and or just save it because out of guilt I'm supposed to save it because my best friend gave it to me. What is that? It's not like they're living with all the extra stuff in the world. Oh, and not to mention, after you open the gift, you have a bunch of gift boxes, gift tissues. What are they called? Yeah, gift wraps, boxes, tissues. That what do? We toss. We throw them all out. What happens to them? You get recycled. Why? Why can't we just be mindful of all the things that we throw away or use or have? And so this Christmas, this is actually the first official Christmas where I ask my friends not to give me a gift, and also my family not to give me a gift, because I have most of what I really need at this time, but instead really genuinely spend time with them, to get to know them better, spend time with them and bond some more and make memorable memories and new traditions. So this is what we did for our Christmas this year. Tell me what you think, what you've been doing, if you have any suggestions or ideas for other people out there, or tell me if you don't think this is Christmassy at all. But Christmas is not Christmas without Christ. So have him in mind. The baby Jesus was born for all of us. Merry Christmas.
Welcome.
Here we go. Go.
Wow.
It's like we really, really want to. We can even dance in the shower.
Our no-bake teriyaki salmon, our stir-fried vegetables and wild rice, and chicken salad macaroni alla Feli. To make the salad, some short salad or macaroni, you want to get it to boil and you want to make sure that you cook it right. Here are the other ingredients. We need some condensed milk, cream, Miracle Whip, mayonnaise, and your fruits. Some cheese. Don't forget to cut them up to the size that you want. I personally like the Velveeta brand because it's easy to melt and I like the element of surprise it brings. Some people use raisins. You can put it, you cannot put it if you like, but most importantly, don't forget your shredded chicken. I just got some rotisserie chicken and shredded it so it's easier.
So the way you test it is to see if it's soft enough, and it is, so it's al dente.
Once your macaroni is cooked, you want to run it down with some ice cold water or cold water from the faucet to stop it from cooking some more. You want to set it aside until it cools down completely and mix in all your other ingredients slowly until it's voila! Looks like this.
Done. Does that look like Christmas?
Reminds me of my childhood and how I got so fat. Mom, this is your fault.
Vegetables. And then what is that in the pan?
Wild rice.
How do you make it?
I gotta box the rice.
What is this? Are those just different variations of carrots?
Yes.
So we actually just got some rice roni box and cooked it. Follow the directions off the box.
Wild rice. Is that like from the wild? Seriously? Oh, and then you just mix the ingredients, that's it?
Yeah, just butter and water.
Butter, water, and then there's rice, and then you just let it cook. So you're just stir frying it or boiling it?
Stir frying it.
When you add a little pepper?
Salt, pepper.
Ooh, that's already mixed.
Yeah.
You came prepared. What's the other one? Oil?
EVOO.
That looks so delicious. It's coated in oil now. I want to eat it.
Apart from the mixed vegetables, we also actually had asparagus. Yum, 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 yum. We actually didn't have an oven, so what we did was we wrapped our marinated salmon in foil and put some water in a pan and just broiled it until it cooked. It came out perfect. Quick, easy, no-bake salmon, no fuss. I actually even ate the garnish too. I ate the whole thing like a taco. And that's it. That's our meal. We enjoyed every single bite. Thanks, ladies. This was an hour after I first called the front desk about our upstairs neighbor who was very loud. So I came up and lo and behold, you can hear them from even 2-3 doors down the hall from where they were at. Just listen. It's our last day. But before we go, breakfast! Again and again and again, I heart breakfast. So we got some free breakfast, eggs, muffins, oh my god, and a hot tub in the morning. Perfect way to de-stress. And of course, the obligatory group picture. Cheese! Aww. Bye.
So that's how I spent my Christmas time with my girls. I hope you enjoy the video, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and spend your time wisely. Stay awake. Remember that Christmas is not Christmas without Christ, and that the giving of ourselves is way much more important than material things. Namaste. Stay awake and alive.